Good morning, my dear students. Hope all are safe and fine too. So we discussed about what, yes, surface area and volumes. We just started and we just go through the formulas. I would like to revise the formulas. First one is what? Cuboid. Cuboid to LSA. Lateral surface area of the cuboid is what? Yes, 2 into L plus B into H. That is the lateral surface area of the cuboid. What is the total surface area of the cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is the total surface area of the cuboid. What is the volume of the cuboid? LBH. Okay, LSA, TSA, volume of the cuboid. Okay, then we move to cube. What is LSA of the cube? Yes, 4a square. TSA of the cube, 6a square. Volume of the cube, a cube. This is the basic formulas we just go through in the previous class. Okay, and we done I think 1 or 2 problems based on that. Today what we are doing is we have to go through the problems based on both this cuboid and cube from the textbook exercise and examples. And then we just started. There is not for so many questions, only 2 or 3 questions for the volume of the cuboid and cube will be discussed today. Okay, so be ready for the class and be listen carefully because each question is different, entirely different from the other. So if you know the concept and know the formulas only, you have to work out the problems based on very easy chapter, but you have to think or you have to study the formulas from this chapter. That is the main thing in this chapter. Okay, I think all of you covered these much formula, these 6 formulas from this cuboid and cube. So shall we start doing the problems? Okay, please ready with your notebook, pen and your textbook. So we will start the class now. Okay. All of you please take the textbook page number 212, example 2. Hamid has built a cuboidal water tank with lid for his house with each outer edge is 1.5 meter long. He gets the outer surface of the tank including the base covered with the square tiles of side 25 centimeter. So please go to the figure also. Find how much he would spend for the tiles if the cost of the tile is 360 per dozen. Okay, what is the question is, the outer covering or the cuboidal tank is given as what? 1.5 meter. Okay, that is outer edge is given as 1.5 meter. So that we can convert it to centimeter. Why we have to convert? Because each tile is length of 25. Okay, so that is 150 centimeter that you have to write first. This is based on the tank. Okay, then what is given? Cuboidal tank. Cuboidal tank means what? The shape is cube. So you can write A is equal to 1.5 meter, that will be equal to 150 centimeter. Okay, then what is given? And square tile of size. Square tile is given, is it? So tile one side is given as what? 25 centimeter. Hope you clear these two concepts. Then what is anything now? Another number given is 360 per dozen. So rupees 360 per dozen. So for one tile, what we can write? 360 dozen means what? How much? 12. Is it? So 360 by 12, that is 12 tiles rupees 360. So one tile rupees 360 by 12, that is equal to 30 rupees. Okay, I think this is the basic thing that while we read the question. Okay, then we'll move to the question. Then what is the specialty of the tank? You want to cover excluding the base, is it? That is, yes, excluding the base. Find how much he would spend for the tiles. You want to find the amount for tiling the tank, that you have to find, is it? So how will you find the number of tiles required? Number of tiles, how will you find? Yes, how will you find? Can you say? Yes, well, tiling, what we have to find is, we have to find, this is a cuboidal tank. Okay, let's show you. This is a cuboidal tank. ഇതിന്റെ ബേസ് മാത്രം നമുക്ക് ടൈൽ ചെയ്യണ്ട, ബാക്കി എല്ലാം കവർ ചെയ്യണം. So how many faces are excluding the base? How many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So 5 base you have to cover. Is it? So we have to write number of tiles required is surface area of tank. Surface area of the tank divided by what? Area of tile. Area of tile. Okay. How will you find the surface area of the tank? Surface area of a cube is what? Yes, if it is total surface area, it is 6a square, and if it is lateral surface area, it is 4a square. But here, how many faces are there? Only 5 faces. So the surface area become 5a square. Is it? So 5 into a is given as 150 into 150. Okay, divided by. This is square tile. Is this what is the area of a square? Is a square. So we can write 25 into 25. Okay, so that will becomes cancelling by 5, it is 5 becomes, and then again by 5 it becomes 30, then by 5 it becomes 5, by 5 it becomes 6, and by 5 it becomes 30. So answer will be about 60 into 30, that is equal to 180. Number of tiles is what? 180. Okay, after that you have to write. Okay, so please write down this message. After that I will say. Please write down these things. Okay, after that please write down cost of 12 tiles is equal to 360 rupees. So cost of one tile. Why we are taking this 12 tiles? Because it is dozen. Dozen means 12. So 360 by 12, that is equal to 30. That we already wrote here, but you have to write here itself. Okay. Then total cost is equal to 180 is for number of tiles, is it? That into 30, that is equal to 5,400 rupees. So the answer is total cost is equal to 180 into 30, that is equal to 5,400 rupees. That much only. First you have to find number of tiles required. How will you find the number of tiles required? Because the base thing, just remember or just think about that. The base will not be tile. Covering also we have to we have to tile. So other 5 sides are there. So 5 into a square is the surface area, and tile is of the square shape. So square area of the square is a square, that is a into a, 25 into 25. Number of tiles is what? Tank, the area of the tank divided by area of each tile. That gives answer as 180. Then cost for 12 is 360. So cost for one tile is what? 360 by 12, that is equal to 30. So total cost is the number of tiles into amount of one tile. That gives us rupees 5,400. Hope you clear this question. So please write on the remaining portions. Okay, the next question we are moving with the question number 3. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at a rate of rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000, find the height of the wall. Okay, so that is our question. What is given in the question? The floor of the perimeter is given as 250. Is it? So perimeter is given as 250 meter. Perimeter is given as rectangle hall is given as 250. So how will you find the perimeter of a rectangle? Formula is 2 into L plus B. Is it? Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. That is given as 250. From this equation, what is L plus B? L plus B can be written as 250 divided by 2. That is equal to 125 meter. Okay, so kept this as equation number 1. Is it clear up to this? Then we will move to the remaining part. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at a rate of rupees 10 is, cost of painting, cost is given, listen here please, cost is given as 15,000. Okay, and cost of painting the wall, cost of painting the wall at the rate is what? Is equal to, at the rate is equal to what? Rupees 10 per meter square. That is per meter square it is rupees 10. So how you want to find how many or the lateral surface area? 4 walls means what? Listen here. Consider this as cuboid. I already explained to you in the previous class. Is it? So consider this as a what? Rectangular hole. We have to cover the 4 parts. Is it? 4 parts means you have to cover excluding the top and bottom. That is 4 sides are there. Is it? So that represents the lateral surface area of the yes please, lateral surface area of the rectangular hole. How will you find the lateral surface area of the rectangular hole? Do you remember? As 2 into L plus B into height is needed, is it? But in this question, height want to find height, is it? Find the height of the, we want to find the height, but we need what? Length plus breadth we needed, is it? So listen here please. So you have to find, for finding the height, we require one additional condition. That is given here. That is LSA, or the area of the 4 walls. Area of the 4 walls will be given as the total cost divided by cost per meter square. Okay, that will be given as 1500. This is the meter square. This is the area. Okay, the area is given and L plus B is already given. Yes, so please write down this much things, area of the 4 walls up to this you have to write. Please write down. Okay, listen here. But area of the 4 walls is given, what we got as answer as 1500. What is area of the 4 walls formula? 2 into L plus B into S is given as 1500. Is it? So 2 into, what is L plus value given? That is in the previous, the first equation, from the first equation gives us 125. Is it? Into height is equal to 1500. So 2 into 125 is 250 itself, is it? 250 into H is equal to 1500. So H will be equal to what? 1500 divided by 250. 0 and 0 cancel. So 25, how many times? 25 into 4 is 100, is it? 100 plus, so that means 4 plus 2, that is 6. Height will be equal to 6 meter. This is our answer. Here what is given? The total cost divided by per meter square cost is given. That represents the lateral surface area. So that thing you have to keep in the mind. Total cost divided by cost per meter square represents what? The LSA of the rectangular hole. That thing you have to keep in the mind. Okay. So please write down the remaining portions. Next we will move to 13.1, sixth question. 4 and 5 are homework questions. Okay, please mark that. Sixth question. A small indoor greenhouse is entirely made of glass pans, including base, held together with the tap. It's 30 cm long, 25 cm wide and 25 cm high. What is the area of the glass? Here including the base is given, is it? So including base is given means what? That you have to find the total surface area, is it? So TSA. What is the formula of the total surface? Which shape is this? Indoor is entirely glass plates together with, that is 3 dimensions are given. If 3 dimensions are given, that represents length, breadth and height. So that represents what? Cuboid. If only one dimension is given, that one dimension means what? Length, breadth. Any one is given, that represents cube. If 3 dimensions are given, that represents what? Rectangular block or cuboids. Okay. So that is TSA is given. What is the formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay. So here L is given as what? Length. First one represents length. Second one represents breadth. And the last one represents height. That is L is equal to 30 centimeter. B is equal to what? 25 centimeter. And H is equal to given as 25 centimeter. Okay, so total surface area we have to find, that is 2 into L is 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 30 into 25. That is equal to 2 times 25 into 3 is 75, 0750. Okay, 25 into 25 is 625. 3 into 25 is 750 again. That is equal to 2 into 750 plus 750 is 1500. Okay, 1500 plus 625. That gives us 2125. That is 2 times here. That represents into 2 is what? 4250. Which is a TSM means meter square. That is our total surface area of this what? Greenhouse. Okay. Then how much tape is needed for all the 12 edges? That is a easy not difficult question. So listen here please. This is a so I will write the question. Tape needed. You have to mark here. So how many length are there? 1. Then this is 1 and the other side is 2, 3, 4 are there. Okay. So you can write 4L. Okay. How many breadth are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? So 4B. How many height are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4S. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 12 total edges are there. Is it clear? So 4 is common here. So remaining L plus B plus H. That is equal to 4 into L is given as 30 plus breadth is given as 25 plus 25. That 30 plus 25 plus 25. That is 30 plus 50, 80. 80 into 4 is what? 320. Okay, 320 meter. Hope you clear this question. Sorry, meter or centimeter? Centimeter is given, is it? Centimeter square, here also centimeter. Okay. So please do this question. We will move to the next question. Next question 13.1, 8th question. Question is big, answer is small. Okay, that type. Praveen wants to make a temporary shelter for her car. Sorry, Praveen, not Parveen. Okay. But making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the 4 sides and the top of the car. Because listen here, that is what car shed, is it? So when it is a car shed, the car is entering into the shed. Okay. So did we cover the base portion? No. We have to cover the other remaining portion. That is of the cuboidal shape, and we have to cover this side, back side and the top side we have to cover. But the front side we don't need to cover. Hope you clear the concept. And 4 side and the top of the car with the front face as a slab which will be rolled up. That is front face that you have to roll up. Assuming that stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height is given? That is height is given as 2.5 meter and dimension 4 meter is given 3 meter. So 4 meter represents length and 3 meter represents breadth. I think you understood the concept. That means a tarpaulin, when the car shed means the front is open. That means front thing you want to make in the form of, that is covered by a zip or anything else. And front is there, but front is when the car is inside the tent or the tarpaulin or the car shed, it is closed. When the car is out from it also, that is closed. That is when we are using, that can be opened. Okay, that is the concept here. Okay, so base we know it, so other remaining portions will be there. That is lateral surface area plus roof. Do you understand the concept? Lateral surface area of the rectangular block or the cuboid plus what? Top portion. Top portion means the roof portion. Is it? So listen here. So what is the question? How much tarpaulin? Tarpaulin required. Okay. Tarpaulin required is equal to what? LSA, lateral surface area plus top portion. Top portion I already said. Top portion is always length and breadth. Is it? Height will not be there. Down also what? Length and breadth. Height will not be there. Plus what? L into B. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is what? 2 into L plus B into H. Okay. Plus L into B. That is 2 into. Length is what? 4. Is it? So 4 plus 3 into height is what? 2.5 plus length into breadth, so 4 into 3, that is equal to 2 into 2.5 is what? 5. So 5 into 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 12, that is 35 plus 12, that is equal to 47 meter square. 47 meter square is the required answer. 2 into 2.5, that is 5 we have to find. 4 plus 3 is what? 7, and here 4 to 3 is 12, and while adding this we got the answer as 47 meter square. And the one question is pending here, that is 13.1, 7th question. That will be discussed later, because that is a little bit tough for you. After completing the chapter, at the end of the chapter, we'll discuss that question. Okay, then we'll move to the volume part. So please write down this question. Okay, we'll move to the volume section. You already know how will you calculate the volume of the cuboid. How will you calculate the volume of the cuboid? Length into breadth into height. How will you find the volume of a cube? A cube. Okay, that is side into side into side. That must be. Okay, so shall we start? Side not edge. Okay. So first of all, I am moving through the exercise question. After that, we will discuss the example question. Okay. So please take your textbook 13.5. That is page number 228. First question we will discuss first. Okay. So a matchbox measures 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, and 1.5 centimeter. What is given as 4 centimeter, and then 2.5 centimeter, and then 1.5 centimeter represents what? Length, breadth, and height. Okay, and what will be the volume of the packet containing 12 such boxes? Volume of 12 boxes we have to find. What we have to do first? We have to find volume of one box first, and that into 12 is the volume of the 12 box. Okay, so which is the shape of the 3 dimensions are given. So it is a cuboid. So you have to write volume of one matchbox will be equal to what? Length into breadth into height is our formula. So 4 into 2.5 into 1.5, that is equal to 25 into 4 is what? 100. Is it? 100 into 15, 1500. So how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So the answer will be 15. Okay. So you have to find how many such match boxes? 12. So volume of 12 match boxes will be equal to what? 12 into 15. That is equal to 180. 180 centimeter. Volume, the unit is cube. 180 centimeter cube is the answer. I think simple question. Compared to the surface area, volume is simple. If it is cuboid, volume is what? Length, breadth, height. If it is cube, then edge into edge into edge. That's the only answer. Okay, so please write down this. Then we will go to the next question, 13.5. That exercise is the second question. The question is this: a cuboidal water tank 6 meter, 5 meter, 4.5. You have to write 6 meter, 5 meter, 4.5 meter. That represents length, breadth, and height. Okay. How many liters of water can it hold? That is 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. You have to convert that into liters. That is our question. So volume of cuboid is equal to what formula? Length into breadth into height. That is equal to 6 into 5 into 4.5. 6 into 5 is what? 30. Okay, so 30. 4.5 into 30 is what? 1350. 1 decimal places. So I'll put here, that is 135 meter cube. Okay. So in our question is given that 1 meter cube is equal to what? 1000 liters. So here what? 135 meter cube will be equal to what? 135, then 30 liters. So volume is equal to what? 1,35,000 liters is our answer. Okay. So please write down this. Next we will move to the same exercise 13.5, third question. Okay, that is one twisting question. Listen here. A cuboidal vessel 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. So 10 meter and 8 meter are given. 10 meter is what? Length, and 8 meter given as breadth. Okay, and how high, that is height you have to find. Okay, and it must hold 380 cubic meters of liquid. That means volume is given as what? 380 cubic meter. Cubic meter, centimeter, cubic meter. Cubic meter means meter cube. This is given. So we have to find volume of the cuboid is equal to, given in the question as 380 meter cube. So volume of the cuboid formula, length into breadth into height is given as 380. Okay, length is given as 10 into breadth is 8 into height we want to find 380. So height will be equal to what? 380 divided by 10 into 8. 0, 0 cancel. So by 2 it is 19. By 2 it is what? 4. So 19 divided by 4 we have to find. 4 4s are 16. Then 3 0, that is 4 point. How many times? 7 times 28. Again 20, that means 5. So the answer height is what? 4.75 meter. Simple question. Here we have to find the height. How high means you have to find height, but volume is given. Length and breadth is also given. Okay, hope you clear this question. So please write down this question. Okay, now we will move to the examples. Okay, page number 227. This number example 11. You have to find. You have to do now. Okay, so listen here the question. That is, a wall of length 10 meter was built to be across in an open ground. The height of the wall and thickness is given. If the wall is to be built up with the bricks of dimension 24 cm, 12 cm and 8 cm, how many bricks would be required? So there are two quantities. One is of wall and the other one is of, okay, I will write like this, that is easy for you. So I will form the table first. Okay, so wall, then brick. Okay, wall length is given as what? Wall length is given as what? 10 meter length, and others bricks are in length of what? Centimeter. So you have to convert. Okay, 10 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter. Okay, then breadth of the wall. What is given? Breadth of the wall is given as, height is 4 meter and thickness is 24 centimeter. So 24 centimeter. And height is given as what? Height is given as 4 meter. So 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. This is based on what? Wall. Then you have to go through brick. Length of the brick is given as what? 24 centimeter. And breadth of the given as 12 centimeter. And the height is given as 8 centimeter. Okay, you want to find what? Number of bricks. So, number of bricks is equal to, or number of bricks required is equal to what? Volume of the wall. Don't be confused with surface area and volumes. Here we have to find volume of the wall divided by volume of a brick. That is volume of one brick. Okay, volume of the wall is length into breadth into height. That is 1000 into 24 into 400. Divide by volume of a brick is what? 24 into 12 into 8. 24 and 24 we can cancel each other. 8 and 400 is 8 into 5 is 40. So you got 50 here. Then by 5 it is 25. By 5 it is 6. Okay. 6 and this we can cancel. 6 not. By 2 it is 3. By 2 it is 500. That is 750. 25 into 5 is 700. Okay. Divided by 3 here. That is 2 times. Sorry, 25 into 5 not. Yes, 125. 125 by 3. Okay. So by 2 it is 4. By 2 it is 1 times only, but 20 remainder here. That is 7 times. Sorry, 7 times not, 6 times. Is it? 6 times 18. That is again 6 point etc. 0.666 etc. That we can round up to 4167. 0.666, that is continuing. So we can round up and our answer is what? 4167. So our answer is 4167 bricks. But bricks is not of point value. That's why we are round up to the nearest integer. Okay. So please write down this much thing. We will move to the last question of today's section. Okay. The question is, a child playing with the building blocks which are of the shape of cubes and has built a structure as shown in the figure. So please go to the figure also. If the edge of each cube is 3 cm, find the volume of the structure built by the child. So each cube side is what? 3 cm. So A is given as what? 3 cm, that is given in the question. What we have to find? Volume. Is it? So volume of the cube is equal to, what is the formula? A cube. That is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. That is equal to 27 centimeter cube. Okay, so but we have to find the volume of the structure, is it? That means how many blocks are there? Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 cubes are there, is it? So volume of the structure we have to find. So volume of the structure. Volume of the structure will be equal to what? How many cubes are there? 15. So 15 into 27, that is equal to, please find out 3 times 10, 0 remainder 1. That is 405 centimeter cube. 405 centimeter cube is our answer. Okay, so hope you clear today's section. We just done the problems based on surface area and total surface area and volume of the cuboid and cube. So please go through each and every question, and the homework questions also you want to write. So please go through the that is on the description box given in the campus clear. I'll write the homework question number there. You have to work out. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next class. Stay safe in the home itself. Bye.